Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video we're going to explore how to add special symbols or special characters into your Google Docs. So click on your Insert menu, find Special Characters, and then you're going to have a little pop-up that displays. And typically probably going to have symbol be the first one, but there are a ton of different menus: symbol, emoji, punctuation, number, format and white space, modifiers, and so on. So right now I'm in symbol, and then I can choose subcategories: arrows, braille, control pictures, currency, and so on. I just happen to have it on geometric shapes. So I have a bunch of different geometric shapes that I can add. Let's say I add a triangle. Now you'll notice that the triangle is not very big. However, I can adjust that. If I highlight this, I can change the font size, which will change the size of that geometric shape. There are thousands upon thousands of these characters. If you're going to insert something, it does help if you know you're going to add it frequently. See if you can remember the name for it. Otherwise, you do have the option to draw the symbol. If you hold down your left mouse button or the click pad on your Chromebook, I can draw the shape I want. Let's say I want something to be, I want to find the less than or equal to sign, and it will either find that symbol or something that closely resembles it. So you can also search for characters that way, since there are a ton in order to sift through. You never know where it's going to be. But that is how you can add special characters into your Google Docs.